Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to drive through the New Kingston area and look at the apartments that are under construction. Now they have some very nice apartment buildings going up, some very large buildings too. Straight ahead, that's the Via Braemar, very nice building. It's still under construction, but it looks like it's very close to completion. Now this part of New Kingston is a residential part. It has a lot of apartments, a lot of, well, not really much homes. It's mostly apartments because New Kingston is the business capital of Jamaica. It's like the Wall Street of Jamaica, so you have a lot of hotels in New Kingston, and on the outskirts you have a lot of apartment buildings, and these are the apartments. And there are a lot more under construction. Okay, so now we're going to look at probably what is the largest apartment building in Jamaica, or a large complex. Straight ahead, that's the Cambridge. It's 2 towers. Massive buildings. You can see the size. I mean, I'm just taking a guess here that this will be the largest apartment complex in Jamaica when finished. This is the Cambridge. It has both straight ahead and the one on the right. Both of them form the Cambridge. It's 2 towers, 2 buildings. And they are still under construction, but it should be finished soon based on what we see. Okay, there's a sign with all the information. And we're going to turn back around if we can. Okay, we're not able to, so we're going to have to drive back around. So straight ahead, that's Trafalgar Road. I think we're supposed to do this, but alright, we just turned around to take another tour through the area. So that's the Cambridge Apartments over there on the right. Now the company that built the Cambridge, or that is building the Cambridge, they actually built another complex, and that complex is finished. So let's take a look at that. It's called the Hartford, the Hampshire, sorry. And this is it on the right. You can see they're using the same color scheme, but this is a much smaller development compared to the Cambridge. So this is it here, the Hampshire. Very nice. And these apartments were sold off, I think, even before the construction finished. So I guess the company realized the potential and decided to build these massive buildings. Right, so they built the Hampshire. They were sold off in no time. So they decided to build these even bigger structures, call it the Cambridge. Alright, so there are a few more. Okay, on the left, that's the Argyle, which is another very popular complex in New Kingston. And okay, there's another one being constructed. Well, there are quite a few under construction, but you can't really see much. They haven't reached very far. But right here now on the right is another complex, and I'm not sure what the name of this one is, so if anybody knows, you can leave a message in the comment section. But it's coming along nicely. It looks very nice. It's another apartment complex. And if we go straight across this road, that's even more apartments, but that's not considered in the New Kingston area. That's probably more like the Golden Triangle or the Ligony area. But as you build these apartments, you'll be surprised at how quickly they're rented. Or people buy them and then some people live in them, some people turn around and rent them. Airbnbs are not a very popular option. But because New Kingston is so busy and so many persons visit New Kingston from other countries, you find the hotels in New Kingston are sometimes fully booked. So when you have these apartments for rent or Airbnb, they do very well. And just another example is Jamaica Carnival is coming up next month, June or July, and all these hotels are going to be fully booked out if they're not booked out already. All the Airbnbs are going to be booked out. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.